Hey, welcome to the Troop 14 March 2018 digital newsletter, created by me, Brandon Perez. I am Brandon Perez, the Troop 14 scribe, and here is the 2018 digital newsletter. So, are all of you enjoying the snow day you had today? Well, what did you do on your snow day? Comment down below how you are spending your day at home. Here are the thoughts that fill my head. Coming to the meetings, making sure everyone signs in, paying attention to the meetings, rank requirements, merit badges that I am working on, remembering everyone's name, collecting dues, community service, do a good turn daily, make sure that I do well in school. Want to add any others of your own? Comment below. So, want to know what Troop 14 has been doing? Recently, Troop 14 had a trip to Valley Forge. Check out the pictures on Facebook. It looks like a fun day trip that we should all try. Congratulations to those who completed rank advancements. You all have been working hard. And a big Troop 14 welcome to the boys who just crossed over and those who just switched to Troop 14. So Monday's meeting, we had a local artist come in and teach us about art for the Art Merit Badge. Nathan had a presentation and the artist brought in lots of examples of his paintings and drawings. We went over requirements 2 and 3 for the Merit Badge. Everyone enjoyed the lesson and was able to see how good the artist was in his special artwork. If you missed Monday's meeting, he will come back again to visit us. Registration is now open for June and April camping. April 13 is to Winnebago, and it's $25 to register. At the May camping trip, we did not decide yet, and June 8 will be at Nobi, and it's also $25. So this is the check-in. How are you feeling overall with being a Boy Scout? Are you feeling fine? You feeling blah? Feeling lost? Feeling like you're not keeping up? Feeling confused? Or feeling overwhelmed? Well, guess what? You're invited to speak with Mr. Painter, our troop master, or Nathan, our senior patrol leader, or your patrol leader. Speak up, and guess what? They can't wait to see you. Okay, my mom made those last 2 slides. Can you tell? Thanks, Mom! This is the March 2018 digital newsletter. Thank you for watching.